Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Halti Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Halti Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Founders raising funding can use cold email outreach to find investors. In emailing an investor for your fundraise, consider the following. Research the investor and include key details in the email to show you have done so. Make the subject line informative so even if the investor doesn't open and read the email, they at least read the subject line. Start the email with the reason for the email in a short and to-the-point format. In the body of the email, show the problem you are solving and the solution you offer. Articulate the value proposition of your solution, and show the current status of the company with key traction points. Call out the fundraise you have underway and the current status, including interest, committed, and invested funds. Show the use of the funds at a high level, building products, generating leads, closing sales, etc. Attach your pitch deck to the email so the investor can learn more. And focus on accomplishments and recent milestones and avoid spending too much time forecasting the future. Include your contact information and offer to set up a call or meeting to provide more information. The goal of the email is to set up a call, not to get a check. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Halti Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.